Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some frozen chicken legs. So let's get toasting. I have a package of frozen organic chicken legs here. These were $2.29 per pound, 1.74 pounds, so they were $3.98. Actually, they were 50 cents off, so $3.48 for this tray of chicken legs. So the first thing I'm going to do is just put it in the sink and let some warm water run over it just for a little bit to kind of hopefully thaw it just a little bit so I can get it out of the package. It's been a minute or two, so let's see if I can get these out of the package now. A lot of times they'll come out of the package and then they'll have this paper thing on the back that's kind of hard to get off sometimes. Like that thing right there. So it looks like it's kind of stuck. Just kind of let the water run over that until this loosens up enough where I can get it off of there. There we go, not too bad. Now I'll just put it in my 10-inch cast iron skillet here. I'm just going to cook them stuck together like that, and then once they start to thaw out, I can spread them out in the pan a little more if I need to. I guess if you had a big sheet of them, you could a bigger tray of them, you could do it on a baking sheet and do them in the big oven as well. Okay, I'm going to season them with this Tajin seasoning. This is actually for fruit, but you buy it in the produce section. It's for fruit. It just has chili peppers, sea salt, and dehydrated lime juice in it. But I like it on chicken and I like it on fish as well. So it's a little bit different. Like I said, it's just in the produce section of the grocery store. So we'll just do both sides with some of this. And then, like I said, I'll just start cooking it just like this in my toaster oven, and then once they start to separate, I can spread them out a little bit better. Alright, I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll let you guys know how long this takes. It's been about 40 minutes and I just pulled the chicken out. Let's see if I can separate it yet. Okay, looks like I probably can here. Trying to figure out if I should turn it over or not. Well, yeah, maybe I will. I guess either way it probably doesn't matter too much one way or the other, but I guess I will flip them over. Now we'll get them back into the oven for a few more minutes. It's been 20 minutes since I put these back in there, so an hour total. Let's see how they look here. Looks like that meat's pulling away from the bone. I'm gonna get them out of there. These have been cooling off for about 10 minutes here. You can see the meat pulled away from the bone, so you know they're cooked. That's what this looks like. It's kind of pull the meat apart. Yeah, it looks good. It looks pretty juicy. Looks good. It only took an hour to cook. They usually take 45 minutes when they're not frozen, so it didn't take all that much longer. Anyway, let's try a bite. That's good. It doesn't taste any different from when it's not frozen, so if you forget to take something out of the freezer, that works pretty good. Guess we better let Annie try it, see what she thinks. Inhaled. That worked out good. I guess you could do that with other cuts of chicken as well. Cooking time might vary a little bit though. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.